Welcome to Fun with Farhan. Okay, so let's get started. We need a compass, pencil, scissors, construction papers, yellow and red color, and white A4 size paper. So we have to keep our hand in here to keep a handprint. And let's take the handprint. Come on. Okay. Oh. And take it again. Go. And again. Awesome, we got a handprint. Now let's redraw it by rubbing it with, and only it will become perfect. Some, oh, yo. And we got it. Again. Try to raise it. I rubbed it because it's not the size of my finger. Last the little finger. Oh, so. Come on. Okay, now let's cut it. Oh, there's a problem. We have to do it in the same size. See? Then it will become a perfect hand for the Iron Man. Now we have to cut it. While cutting, be always careful because it's the hardest thing. Careful. Okay. Go again. Cut it like vertically. Be careful while cutting. Okay, just move this part. You can move it at the beginning only. Okay, go. And go again. Just the last part. You finish cutting. So we have the handprint here. It's a good handprint and nice too. By the way, I forgot to say that we need glue. We can take Fevicol glue, or we can take normal glue too. So next we have to draw the circles in the white papers, so we can stick here like the Iron Man's fire buster. So I have already drawn it. See, I have drawn two in case the circle does not come correctly. The size is same. You can take the size in the size of your hands, by the size of your hands. So it should be perfect circle for a hand. That's why I told you to take a compass, so we can draw the perfect circle. If you take a tape or something, it will not come in the perfect circle of your hand's palm. So let's cut it. I'll take this one because there's not a big hole in this one. Circle cutting is too hard for my scissors. It's not perfect. So how about it? Nice now. So let's stick it in the center. I think it's better to stick in this side because the pencil prints are coming in this side. Just stick it, and we got the Iron Man handbuster. Very nice. So now let's take the yellow paper. Just a few stripes we made in yellow. Every finger, just a few stripes. Just like this one time. See, it's so nice. Okay. A bit of glue. And stick it in the center. Oh, like Iron Man's hand. Got it again for the next finger. Next 4 fingers we have to cut it. 3, 4. Take the perfect size for it too. Don't be mixed up because all are about the same size.